Hello, today we are going to talk about electrolysis past paper questions. For example, for the first question, the chemical element are arranged in the periodic table in groups and period. Okay, molten silver bromide is electrolyzed using graphite electrodes. Name the products formed on each electrode. At anode is on cathode is a negative charge. Uh, uh, Terminal and anode is a positive charge. So on positive charge, bromine will go there because it's a Br minus sign. So bromine Br minus sign will go to the anode, and on cathode, on negative, we have silver. Okay, silver Ag plus will go to the cathode. Okay, on cathode, remember always positive charge will stick to the cathode and gain electron from there. Okay, so shows the operators figure 3.2 used to electroplate a metal objects like silver. Okay, state where the silver is deposited. Silver will go on the negative electron. Okay, so negative is here, so silver will be deposited over here. State why objects are electroplated. So the answer is to for different reasons: to improve the appearance of any substance, for coating, for example silver coating or gold coating, and to improve resistance to corrosion, any of these points. Okay, now question number 2. Potassium iodide is an ionic compound. Molten potassium iodide is electrolyzed using graphite electrodes. Okay, name the product form on the positive and negative electrode. Okay, so potassium is positive, it will move to the negative electrode. Okay, potassium will come here, K plus. And where will other is what? Iodide. Iodide is I minus, it will go to the positive electrode and lose its electron and become I2 and become a gas. State the name of the positive electrode in the electrolysis experiment, that is called anode. Okay, anode, simple. The question is about sulfur and compounds of sulfur. Okay, figure 4.2 shows the apparatus used for electrolysis of dilute sulfuric acid using graphite electrodes. Okay, that is a positive terminal, that is a negative terminal. Label the cathode. The right hand electrode is called cathode, whereas electrolyte is called electro cathode. Where is cathode? Cathode is a negative ion, so that is cathode, and the electrolytes are in the solutions. Okay, okay. Name the product and state the observation at positive and negative electrode. Product as positive electrode is oxygen. Okay, oxygen, because O is minus 2, so it will, I will just zoom in, that is oxygen. And observation as positive electrode, so that is, so what would be at positive electrode? Bubbles. Okay, observation is bubbles, and the negative product at negative product is hydrogen. Okay, that is hydrogen, and observation as negative electrode is bubbles. Okay, that is also a gas. Lithium bromide is a compound with an ionic compound. Molten lithium bromide is electrolyzed using graphite electrodes. State the name and product at each electrode and give the observation at the positive electrodes. Okay, so product at negative electrode is lithium, because lithium is Li plus, And on positive terminal, what is the negative? Bromine, Br minus. Observation on the positive electrode is red brown vapors. Okay. Now question number 5, we will do till question number 5. So properties of four substances. So, molten potassium bromide can be electrolyzed. Predict the product of electrolysis at anode. So at anode we have bromine because that is a negative ion. Okay, negative ion will move towards the positive terminal, and at cathode we have potassium ion. Okay. Now lithium is extracted by electrolysis of molten lithium chloride. Name a non-metal used to make electrode that is simply graphite or carbon. State one other than property other than conduction of electricity that makes this substance stable, suitable for use and electrode, inert and unreactive. Okay, say so carbon or graphite don't react with the with the metal. State the products of electrolysis of molten lithium chloride. At negative terminal we have lithium. Okay, lithium is on negative terminal, whereas on positive terminal we have chlorine, Cl minus. So that's all about it. If you want to take online classes, you can contact us. If you like the classes, please subscribe and share with your friends.